Hello and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Goodbudget app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Goodbudget application on your device. And if you're not already logged in or signed up, you will see the login button at the home page. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you will be asked to enter your household name or email address followed by your password. But if you have forgotten your password, go ahead and tap on the Forgot button alongside the password box. You will now be prompted to enter your email address. So just type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then tap on the Reset Password button. Then just tap on OK, and now you will receive an email within the email address that you just entered. Just open up this email and you will now find a button which says Reset Your Password. Just tap on this, and now this will take you into the Reset Password page. Now all that's left to do is type in your desired new password within the new password box. After typing it in, tap on Reset Password and Login, and now this will successfully reset your account password on Goodbudget. You can then go back to the Goodbudget application, and from the login page, you may use your email address and your newly set up password to once again regain access onto your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Goodbudget app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also ring that notification bell, and I'll see you again in the next one real soon.